Hello everybody, here we are in another session of work. This time we are going to work the workbook, okay? So as we have almost finished the students' books, what are we going to do now is the practice book. So let's start with the first part, okay? The explanations, all of them are already in your workbooks, but here I have some important points to check. Alright, so the first, for example, it says in exercise 1, do exercises 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 from pages 12 to 13. But before doing these exercises, you may check your student's book and the videos that were sent last week. Okay, each exercise has an example to check them before doing the following ones. Here we have exercise 1, for example, which says complete the sentences by choosing two possible answers from the box. So exercise A is done, so that's why here we have just exercise B, which says there is, and we have two spaces to fill in it, and then doubt that in the future we'll have to take radical action control traffic congestion in our cities. In this exercise, for example, the most suitable words that we may write here are hardly any or little. In exercise 2, here we have rewrite the sentences using the words in parentheses. Okay, the first example is done, so here we have B, which says it is, we have a space to complete, and continue saying believed that climate change is the greatest challenge facing our society. Which is the most suitable word that we may complete in this exercise is widely. Okay, so undo the next exercises as you saw. In exercise 3, we have another instruction which says complete the negative and limiting adverbial phrases in the sentences below using no, not, or only. In this case, exercise A is also done, so here we have B. Here we have a space, and then it continues saying after a long wait did we finally get to hear the results of the texts. Okay, so the word that we have to complete in this case is only, okay, because it's the most suitable for the context of my sentence. Then we have exercise 4, which says complete the adverbial phrases with words in the box. Okay, here we have exercise B, because as I said before, exercise A is done. In this case we had no and a space, moved into our new house that our troubles began. Okay, and what do we have to write here is, and the most suitable word for this sentence is sooner. Exercise 5. Here we have another one. In this exercise we have to see first what we did in exercise 4, because both exercises are related. Okay, so in this case it says rewrite the sentences from exercise 4 so that they begin with the adverbial phrases you completed. In example A we have only after I had left the city did I realize how much I loved it. Exercise B, no, and we have a space to complete, moved into our new house that our troubles began. So what is and which is the most suitable word that we have to use here is sooner had we. No sooner had we moved into our new house that our troubles began. Okay, so undo the following exercises as you have in the examples, but checking carefully exercise 4, because as I told you before, they are related. Okay.